Hi everyone, thank you for joining me in the craft room again. Today, I don't know if you saw the card I made. I probably posted it yesterday, maybe the day before, which was the bird sat on this finger. It was inspired by one of Tim Holtz's makers who had embossed the bird. I thought it turned out really nice. I really liked it. So I thought I would make another one because I've got this finger left over. On that one I cut this finger out a bit on the wonk because it cuts into the card. So what I did was I cut it out, cut round it to keep it. So I'm going to use that finger again, and what I thought I would do is do another one and cut it out just to build it up a little bit. So I'm going to do that. I've got a matte layer. I'm going to use this bird this time, which is the little one, and I'm going to emboss him. I know this is a Christmas tree, but what I thought I would do was if I emboss him around there somewhere, it just looks like he's got some pretty flowers on him. So that's what I'm going to do, and hopefully that works. So that's a Cuttlebug. This Sizzix set with the birds is 664433, and this set with the finger is 662689. So that's what I'm going to do for my die cutting. For the background, I'm going to do a Brushos background to add a bit of colour because all the rest is going to be in white. So I've just got to pick what colour I want in the background. I think I might go with a purple because I was going to go green, but I've been a bit green centric just lately, I feel. So orange and turquoise are my favourite colours, and I usually do those as well, so I thought I'd do something a bit different. So it would either be a yellowy colour or a purple colour. So I think I'm going to do purple. See what it looks like. If I don't like it, I can do it again. I'll use the purple one for something else. So I'm going to get that done first because that needs to dry. I don't want the card covered. I just want this sort of area. You can't control Brushos where they go, really. So it's one of those potluck things, but that's fine. So I'll get some water. That's here somewhere. I'm looking and I can't see it. It's not unusual. There it is. So I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of Brushos on there and then spray it with some water, and we'll see what happens. Okay, let's go for it. So we'll just let that do what it wants, and then we will come back to it and I will finish drying it. Let me just dab up that tiny bit there. Okay, let me just put that to one side. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this hand out again. I'm going to cut the bird out. Bits for the bird. So let me get those cut next. So the finger is going to go on there, and then I'm going to cut round it again. I cut 2 of those to stack, 2 of those to stack. I cut 2 of those, but only just in case I don't like the embossing on the bird. So let's get this bit done first, because this is going to be the fiddliest bit, I think. I'll just cut round this. And I'm just going to emboss this. So let's find somewhere that looks good. That looks quite nice. Its little eyes in the middle of a flower, so let's do that. So there he is with some flowers. Let me stick these together. Well, the wind covers up some of the flowers, but you can still see some of them, so... So that's that. Let me tidy away and have a look at the background, because I don't think that's going to be dried yet, so we might have to dry that off a little bit. But let me tidy up and I'll be back. So that's going to go there, and that's going to go there. I don't know that he's showing up very well. I might have to do another one and use that for something else. What I might do is break off a third and just do the Brushos on a third of it. So let me try that. Let me get another piece and have another go. I'm liking that. I like the colour, so I think we'll still stick with purple. Let me get this. And let's get some post-it notes. So I think what I'll do is give that a if we go back there, is that going to be enough? I'll move it along a little bit. So, is that purple gone? Oh, that is. So let's see if we can. See how that looks. It's still a little bit damp, but it's all right. Yeah, I think I like that better. So let me find a matte layer to go underneath this. That looks good. I think we might just get it out of that. I'll have to have a look. I don't think we're going to do it because we've got that little cut there. I wonder if that will notice. Let's see. Is that there? We know it's there, but we're not going to tell anyone, are we? I need to do something about his eye. So I think I'll do, let me do a little dot and see if we like it. Get a sentiment done. Let me do that and see what it looks like. Stick these together. See, I might need something a bit darker. I think this might be a bit light now I've done it. Let me see if I can find something a bit darker. I'm thinking I like that darker colour better. It's the darkest one I've got. So let's cut the matte layer with that. Okay, that sentiment is from It's Just Paper, Thankful 10-piece die set. size card with a little embossed bird. If you didn't see the other one I put up, which I think turned out really nice, this is okay. The other one was really nice. I'll link it just here. So, and that's it for this time. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Okay, bye.